Hey guys, Alicia here. Thank you so much for tuning in. I am going to be switching some things up a little bit. As I was going through my videos, I was like, you know what? I have not been on camera yet. And it's not that I didn't want to be on camera or anything like that. It's just most of the things that I teach are all screencasted. And then I started to think, people are probably wondering, who is this person behind these videos and these tutorials? So I thought, I'm gonna make a quick, horrible quality video and I'm gonna post it on YouTube just so everybody can put a face with the person behind all of the tutorials. Now, I do want to tell you, I've got some changes coming up soon. I am working on a place in my home that will be my YouTube recording, my little studio, my little YouTube recording studio. But still, even at that, most of my videos are always going to be screencasted, as I am teaching, how to make passive income. I've been focusing a lot on Etsy. However, there are still so many ways that you can make a passive income that, don't involve or include Etsy. So, I just wanted to take a moment and put a face behind all of the screencasts, and also thank you so much to everyone who is subscribed to my channel. Also, if you are not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification so that you do not miss out on any future videos that I will be uploading. Thank you so much, and I just wanted to say hello, everybody, and I hope everyone has a great day. Thanks so much for being a subscriber, and once again, hit that subscribe button. I got a lot more coming. I also don't have my microphone right now. My son has it. I had two different ones. I've got one that plugs into my laptop, and then I have another one that plugs right into my phone or my DSLR camera, and he borrowed it. When you have teenagers, hey, you can't keep anything. They take all your electronics. It's crazy, isn't it? Anyway, just wanted to say hello. Thanks a lot for being a subscriber, and lots of changes coming soon. Stay tuned.